Of all the things you can make from flour, have you wondered making chips from it? Yes, it is very possible. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sit back and relax while I show you how it's done. To the list of the ingredients, I have flour, milk flavor, the powdered one, sugar, salt, vanilla flavor, and water. Note the flour is already sifted. To the flour, I'll be adding milk flavor, sugar, salt to taste, and stir everything together. Add about 1 cup of water to the dry ingredient and mix together until it is lump free. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix together. Please note that the batter shouldn't be too runny nor too thick. You can leave it to relax for about 2 minutes before use, and you can use immediately. Heat a non-stick frying pan and spread the batter evenly on the pan. The spread shouldn't be too thick if you want it very crunchy. Then leave it to dry on both sides and remove it on a flat surface. Repeat the process until you are done with the batter. Then cut it into smaller pieces. Fry in hot oil on a medium heat until it is golden brown. best served with hot beverage or milk, and it can be used as cereal if the chunks are smaller. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.